what are the common allergies in kids, and what's the role of environment in that?
Mainly, what we see in our clinical practice are children with lots of nasal allergies. Nasal allergies and eye allergies go hand in hand. That's why we call them allergic
Oh,
rhinoconjunctivitis.
oh, really?
And a lot of asthma in children, lot of skin allergies, and food allergies are way down. Like, we don't see a lot of
Hmm.
food allergy in Indian children. Any kind of allergic disease has two prongs to it. One is genetics, it has a
Yes.
role to play, and the second biggest role is played by the environment.